Next section, demographic characteristics. Define demography. Demography is defined as statistical data about the characteristics of population, such as the age, gender, and income of the people within the population. When the census assembles data about people's ages and genders, this is an example of collecting information about demographics. First demographic character, sex composition of population. Sex ratio, number of females per 1000 males. Sex ratio in India, 19:1, 972 female per 1000 males. 1991, 927 female per 1000 male. According to 2001 census, 933 female per 1000 male. Second, age structure. Demographic analysis of age structure. 0 to 1, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, etc. The factors determine age structure of population. The effect of fertility and mortality. The effect of migration on age structure. Effect of war and age structure. Age structure in India. First, 0 to 14 years, 29.7 percentage. Second, 15 to 64 years, 64.9 percentage. Third, 65 years and above, 5.4 percentage according to 2011. 3. Literacy ratio means percentage of educated people in India. According to 1901, males 9.83, female 5.53 percentage of educated. According to 1981, males 64.13 percentage, females 52.21 percentage. According to 2001, males 75.85 percentage, females 65.38 percentage. 4. Marital status. 4 types of marital status. First, single, never married. Second, married. Third, widowed. Fourth, divorced. Each status has deep religious and legal as well as general social significance. 5. Religion. Religious composition. Religious classification. In India, Hindu 82.71%, Muslim 11.21%, Christians 2.60%, others 3.48%. Look at this picture. Six, income. Income is the sum of all the wages, salaries, profits, interest, payments, rents, and other forms of earning received in a given period of time. Look at this pie chart. Distribution of income across different occupations. Laborers 31.6%, agriculture 14.8%, working abroad 9.3%, business 9.0%, salaried others 8.5%, shop owners 7.8%, salaried government 6.4%, remaining rivals 3.8%, migrant labor 3.0%, others 5.8%. 7. Occupation. Occupation may refers to job, a regular activity performed for payment. Look at this pie chart. Student 26.58%, labor 22.44%, business 5.71%, salaried 6.52%, unemployed 13.27%, housewife 7.38%, agriculture allied 13.66%, remaining working abroad 1.56%, pensioners 0.45%, migrant labor 1.51%, and others 0.91%. 8. Family composition. Number of male, female, children, elders, adult, adolescents, and their relationship in a family. 9. Race and caste. Total number of different types of races. Total number of different types of caste groups in defined population. 10. Language. First, Hindi is the first major language. Second, Bengali. Third, Telugu. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam belong to Dravidian family languages. Rest to the Aryan family languages. 11. urban rural population. Urban and rural, different rate of birth rates, death rates, and rate of population growth. Growth rate of population. The population of India grew at a slow rate period to 1921, but it is population has started growing at a drastic rate of speed, particularly after 1931. The average annual growth rate of India's population was 0.56% in 1911, and it reached the record height of 2.22% in 1981. However, it has come down to 1.9% in 2001 and further to 1.76% in 2011. Thank you. Have a good day.